This is a route to adventure. It begins when you arrive in Carmelita, where beautiful people that have lived in harmony with the forest for a century welcome you. They are her guardians and give themselves holy. Welcome to Carmelita. With a quick step, we begin a different path from all the rest. You feel it under your skin, and it beats to the sounds and smells of the forest. And you launch yourself into the adventure. Those adventures where you become legend. Shh, listen to the monkeys. You feel the breeze calming the trees, and the sky paints itself with intense colors. You find no boundaries or borders, only the penetrating green of the forest, wherever you set your eyes. You continue on, the jungle itself pushing you. It calls you and you go, longing for more. The blue night falls like a sacred blanket for the most peaceful rest. And you will placidly share it with the sky covering you in a sea of stars. The dawn awakes you and you discover a new day on the summit of a temple. With a good breakfast first, of course. More eggs and black beans? And suddenly, in the middle of a forest, its people surprise you with jungle flavors that feed the body and soul, and tell the souls that forged their stronghold rose every morning for more, valuing and conserving the habitat. You reach El Mirador, cradle of Mayan civilization, ancestral and imposing, laden with mystery and mysticism. In awe, you walk through it, you discover it, you feel it. And they narrate their stories most passionately, where here, they are written in stone. You always take something from every site, but you can write thousands of stories about Carmelita El Mirador, about the kind gestures from her people, and the magic that surrounds you with each step. This adventure teaches you that traveling without shaking your senses, without challenges, is not traveling. And you never know where the path will take you. Discover the Carmelita El Mirador circuit. Carmelita El Mirador, the Mayan jungle trek.